This is a pandemic time and people are getting very much panicked over things. So today I am just going to tell you, I'll start with an incident. Of course, we'll land up in a success story. Like any other pandemic story, I am not just going to make your moods off, because today it is functioning on getting a better mood. Yes. In the pandemic time, what is very important is your immunity level. People are concentrating on the COVID and the treatment and all that, but what I feel is, and what I have experienced it, apart from anything, it is the inborn immunity in you. All the doctors had been saying it. There are a lot of researches going on, and my experience over here after coming out of this COVID, I would like to tell you how successfully I could come across, and also I will give you an example. Of course, for the sake of privacy, I am not just going to tell the name of the patient. I got a counseling session, and they said the patient is in ICU and you have to give a counseling, and that is very, very important. I said, okay sir, he is in the ICU. Okay. So I call him. I said, hello Mr. So-and-so, how are you? He says, I'm not well. I said, why? I said, is it because of your COVID you are speaking? He said, no. Basically, ours was a happy family of a husband and wife and 2 children and my mother. The patient says, I am 40 years old, my wife is 35, and I have a senior citizen, my mother, and I have 2 kids. One is 11 years old and one is 6 years old. Recently I lost my wife, and after 3 days I lost my mother, but I feel guilty that I lost my mother, could not attend on them, just because I was also in ICU with COVID. I said, then what about the children? See, my children are my children and they won't be so important for anybody else, but somehow they are managing in somebody's house. I said, I'm so sorry sir. So he says, it's not that, but I'm feeling very sad, I'm feeling like crying, and I'm feeling very tired, and you just see the reading of my oxygen levels. They are very low, but my doctor permitted me to speak. I said, okay. Now, damage is done, I said. The damage is, you have lost your wife, you have lost your mother. Then, there are basically 2 things, damage and repair. So, we will not brood over the damage, but let us think about the repair part. How can you repair yourself? I said, what is the important point you have to address on? Then she said, madam, I think I have to come out of this because I have to take care of my children are mine. I said, yes, that is the focus. Now you carry on, you get well, and because you have life now, you have a chance. If you start thinking about your wife and your mother, then I think your levels will come down, because when you are in a sorrowful mood, the immunity level comes down. Is it, madam? No, you just take the priority. Forget about your immunity level and all that. So tell me what you are going to do. Ma'am, I want to come out of this. If you want to come out of it, what do you want to do? I don't know, ma'am. I'll ask my doctor and I'll do whatever I can. So I said, if it is really that, then now you are remembering your mother and your wife. Don't you think it is a waste of time over here? You can think about them later on. It is a damage. Then what is the next priority? My priority is my children. Then, and then for that I have to get well. So I said, okay, fine. Ma'am, can I call you mom? I said, yeah, you can call me mom. I'm your mom. because anybody of that age and comforting you, that sentiment and that emotion comes, you can call me, Mom, will you come to Bangalore? I'll be there. I said, fine, I'll come. But you get well soon and you run to your children and don't tell your children that I'll be getting well soon, but tell them I'm coming soon, right? Then I just said, now look at the oxygen levels. He looked at the oxygen levels and the oxygen levels were 95, believe me. How did that oxygen level come up? It is just because his immunity level increased, his spirits went up high, and he went up with a hope. And so this is just an example over there that just with a speaking, no medicine, nothing, just with a speaking, the levels came up high of this. What I mean is, you have to come out of this. If you have to come out of this, first thing is you have to repair yourself from inside, and repairing yourself from inside is getting your spirits high. That means you should not go on what if, oh what happened to me, but what next, and that what next should be in a positive way. Do it, and you have done. I tell you, nowadays, I don't know about the rest of the things, but with Corona it is, till the damage that is done, you can take the medicines and get them repaired, and the rest of the part is, if you want to be strong, get your immunity levels high by keeping your spirits high, and have a smile on your face, make people happy, and have a hope on yourself that you are going to definitely come out of it. Have a great day, have a great time, and be healthy, be strong, and make people strong with your vibes.